So this is a motorhome. I'm just going to take you around the outside of it. That's the garage door. You can get 2 superbikes and a scooter in there. That's what we use it for. Sorry if there's any sun glare there. You've got a couple of cupboards here, a small cupboard there. Generator lives in there. That's a huge cupboard, you can keep bodies in there. Diesel goes in there, and the permanent LPG tank is in there. Right, I'll show you in the cab. It's spotless in here, it's just like new. I'm a real fussy sod, I can't stand muck, so it literally is as clean as a car would be. It's just spotless. From brand new, it's only done 47,000 kilometres. Is that about 30,000 miles, something like that? It's not a lot. Right, go inside. So this one has been a motorhome from brand new. A lot of the 7.5 tonners are basically a mancule lorry that someone then has put a cooker and a bed in and called it a motorhome. But this has been made from brand new as a motorhome. So the same as the RS ones. So spare bed up there, we just chuck all the cushions up there. But as you can see, the sofas again, just spotless. A table goes there, forgot to put it up, but it is there, we've got a table for that. Satellite dish and generator, it all just works on the touch of a button. So it's got a satellite dish on the roof and big TV. It's got Sky permanently as well. It's got like a never-ending Sky card, so you get all these Sky channels. Dining area there, you can sit 4. Microwave, decent size fridge and freezer. Sinks there. Loads of cupboard space. Cooker. Right, through to the back bit. So you've got a wardrobe there on your left. Then some stairs go up there to the upstairs bedroom. Obviously there's a double bed at the front as well. There's another wardrobe there right in front of you, and then on your right is a bed. I'm just going to get up there. You can't stand up unless you're a midget. It's about 5 foot is this roof, but another television on the wall there and some more storage. So I'll go back down. Bathroom's in here. It's only small, but it does its job. So loos there. Sink pulls down, and shower above your head. Easy as that. And the best bit is the garage, because it's massive. So obviously you can get from the outside, big wide door to get things in, and you can get in from inside as well. So the strapping points for 2 motorbikes already fastened there. If you've got loads of you in here, there's another bed that drops down there as well. Obviously the dining area makes a bed as well, so in fact so does the sofa. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could sleep 9 people in here if you really wanted. There's cupboards on the walls. That's the door to the outside, which you can't open because I've parked too close to that wall. And some more shelving. Obviously I'll clear all my stuff out. And then I step back up into the main living area. And that is it. It's kept clean anyway, but we've just had it all professionally steam cleaned so that it's just spotless, because there's nothing worse than somebody else's muck. These are all the main controls. So you've got your central heating there. It's gas central heating, gas hot water as well. If you combine that with the generator as well on board, you can basically live off grid for as long as you want. You can hook up of course as well to save any petrol in the generator, but if you can't get a hook up, it's not a problem, because with the gas heating and hot water and the petrol generator, you can just live off grid for as long as you wanted. So and that just tells you how much hot water's in there and what's not. So there's a huge awning outside as well, that's included. I'll just pop out. I think it's 5 metres long, but it comes with all the sides as well, so you can basically make like a full safari room awning. Just reverse so you can see it, the length of the awning. The awning's got all LED lighting inside it as well. It's too big to set up on the drive here, but it's all included, it's all built in with it. So to buy brand new, these are about £160,000, these motorhomes, so they're not a cheap thing. And it's 2008 with 47,000 kilometres from new. So it's had 2 owners, one guy that's a friend of mine, and then me, and that is it. So the logbook actually shows 2 previous owners, so 3 altogether, but that was a mistake by DVLA because the previous owner moved house and they added him as an owner because they're stupid. Anyway, it's had 2 owners, and that's it. Really clean. Thank you. Lastly, because this was built as a motorhome from brand new and it's never been a lorry, it was designed with weight saving in mind, so as much of the chassis and the structure as possible is aluminium, so the whole lot weighs 6.5 tonnes rather than 7.5, which most of them weigh. Because of that, it's got a huge payload capacity, so you can have 3 motorbikes in the back without any problem at all. And the best thing about this whole thing, in my opinion, is the rear hydraulic suspension. So if you park on some wonky ground somewhere, or you want to drop it to get bikes into the garage, touch of a button and the suspension goes up or down. It also does look a little bit gangster, you've got to admit. You can take it right to the floor as well to make loading dead easy. And then back up again. Alright, thank you very much.